Here I have Peugeot 3008, and let me show you how to change the brightness of the screen in this car and also in every Peugeot cars. So, as you can see, if you are using the Peugeot infotainment system, you can get access to this home screen. Let's just simply use the home button, and now you can use this home screen. Let's choose here the gear icon. The gear icon is the settings, so let me tap it. If you tap the settings, you can use the left bar. Under left bar, you can find the brightness right here. So as you can see, this is the fullest brightness. You can decide from 0 up to 10. Let me tap 10. This is the brightest possible screen that you can use. So basically all you need to do is choose the desired brightness of your screen and you can use it, as simple as that. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.